Welcome to this video. Today I am going to share you my some of knowledge regarding how you can create home button in Osclass website. Okay, really creating home button in real Osclass website is little difficult. It is little tactical. Okay, and perhaps you know about the Osclass website and you may be searching about making home button in Osclass website, right? And you maybe tried several methods, right, but you didn't get success through, I think. So this tutorial will help you, okay, to come in exact point. Okay, if you create page, then it is a Osclass giving you only in footer menu. Okay, it is coming only in footer menu, and there is no any navigation menu options in footer class, Osclass option. And in default, Osclass will provide you creates, register, sign in like this, right? I have some add here, but there is no any home button. So if somebody click in add, so they will mess around, right? Again they have to go back like this. Okay, so if there is home button, then obviously it will be very easy for user to get through, get to home button, right, immediately in whatever page they are, right? So let's start our topics without further delay. Okay, this is our subject, right? To make home button, just log in your dashboard, Osclass dashboard. Okay, after you log in your Osclass dashboard, just go to manage widget. From appearance, just go to manage widget. Okay, after then you can click here. Here is two section, header and footer. Okay, so obviously we need head home button in header, right? So just click here and you have to give some HTML tag. It is very simple. So just you can give HTML tag. Here you can write a anchor link, right? A href is equal to, so give here link of your website. This is the link of my website. Okay, so you can give link and text. You will make home, sorry, capital home, right? So close this anchor text. Okay, anchor text. So update this one. This is for just for example. This home. Okay, we can give here home. Okay, to widget. Right now, refresh. This HTML tag is only coming, right, appearing here. So just go here and this one. Now it is in home. So until it is appearing here home, it will not be shown in your website. Now it appear home, then again say, now refresh, it will be home now. Yes guys, here this is our home button, right? But now we need to modify this one. This is only home, nobody knows this one. Anyway, it will work for home. If somebody click here, it directly go to home page. Yes, it came to home page. So we need to modify something. Suppose there should be some hover action, right? It should be middle point. So we'll manage this one. So again go to edit here. So just after then you can click here tools, after then source code, after then you can give here center tag. Okay, CNTS center tag, right? So we can close our center tag here, center tag, and make one bottom also. Inside center tag again make one bottom, so our home page will be inside bottom, button bottom. Okay, so bottom this tag, I think you know the HTML tag, right? HTML coding. So if you don't know, you get the video and exactly you can write like this. So now it came, see, now it came in center, right? Before it was in left hand, it was in left side, now it is in center, right? So let's save this one and see. Okay, now we can refresh our page. Yes, now you can see here there is hover effect. There is hover effect, right? So it is really looking excellent now. So if somebody click here, if any ad, anyway home button is there, right? So they can see the detail here. So after they click here home button, they can again easily can go to home, right? So guys, this is my classified website. I designed this website. So if you want to learn website designing, classified website designing in Osclass, I am going to make tutorial. Okay, so there is several things we have to walk through. I'll make very simple easy tutorial. So please subscribe my channel and keep on watching my channels. Obviously there will be new update regarding this Osclass website. So I hope due to my work it will help several people for making their classified website, right? This is my dashboard of classified website. So this website is actually global website. I have opened this website for several countries. So if you go here post ad, actually I have only opened post for registered user, so they can post here from US, Canada, Australia, right? You can see here listing. So from setting you can see here the location, what are the location here, what are currency here, these are the location I have listed. Okay, so from this area they can post their ad after they are registered, right? And I have user here, I have several user, guys. I have 676 user already registered in my website. So anyway, I'll make tutorial regarding fully designed Osclass website, classified website. So please don't miss my channel. Really, through my channel you will get very informative video. Okay, this is all website designing tutorial. Most of the tutorial is website designing tutorial and accounting tutorial also available there. Okay, so thank you for seeing this video. Please kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell notification to see further upcoming videos. Thank you, see you in another video.